Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two past tenses, simple past and past perfect.
These help you talk about events that happened at different times in the past.
Understanding them helps you tell clear stories and explain sequences.
They're essential for advanced English.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these tenses are.
They're both about the past, but they show different times.
Simple past is for completed actions in the past.
Past perfect is for actions that happened before another past action.
Let's explore each one.
Tense 1. Simple past.
Simple past is for actions that finished in the past.
The key idea is one completed action at a specific past time.
Structure, subject, plus verb, plus ed, or irregular form.
I walked to school. She ate breakfast. They went home.
Uses of simple past.
Use 1. Actions completed at a specific past time.
I visited Paris last year. She called me yesterday. We finished at 5 p.m.
Use 2. Past habits or repeated actions.
I walk to school every day. He always arrived late.
Use 3. Sequences of past events.
I woke up, ate breakfast, and left, one after another.
Use 4. Past states or conditions.
I was tired yesterday. She lived in Tokyo.
Tense 2. Past perfect.
Past perfect is for actions before another past action.
The key idea is the earlier of two past actions.
Structure, subject, plus had, plus past participle.
I had finished. She had eaten. They had gone.
Uses of past perfect.
Use 1. To show which action happened first.
I had eaten before she arrived. Eating was first.
Use 2. To give background to a past story.
She was tired because she had worked all night.
Use 3. With time expressions like by the time, before, after.
By the time I arrived, they had left.
Use 4. To show completed action before a past point.
By 2020, I had graduated. Before the meeting, I had prepared.
The key differences.
Simple past is one action in the past.
Past perfect is earlier action before another past action.
Simple past often has time markers like yesterday, last week.
Past perfect needs a reference point in the past.
Simple past, I ate dinner at 7.
Past perfect, I had eaten dinner before the movie started.
One past event versus two past events.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, how was the party last night?
It was great. By the time I arrived, most people had already come. I got there at 8, but the party started at 7.
Did you see Sarah?
No, unfortunately. She had left before I arrived. She told me she went home at 7:30.
That's too bad. What did you do at the party?
I talked with friends and ate food. The host had prepared so much delicious food. I tried the cake that Maria had baked.
Sounds wonderful. When did you leave?
Around midnight, but most people had gone home by then. I was one of the last to leave.
Did you notice both tenses?
The party was great. Simple past.
Most people had already come, past perfect, before I arrived.
I got there at 8. Simple past.
The party started at 7, simple past.
She had left before I arrived. Past perfect. She left first.
She went home at 7:30, simple past.
I talked with friends.
Simple past.
The host had prepared food. Past perfect. Before the party. I tried the cake.
Simple past.
Maria had baked.
Past perfect, before I tried it.
I left around midnight.
Simple past.
Most people had gone home. Past perfect. Before midnight. Both tenses showing sequence.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using past perfect without a reference point.
Wrong alone, I had eaten. Correct, I had eaten before the movie.
Past perfect needs context.
Mistake 2. Using simple past when order matters.
Unclear. I arrived. She left.
Better, when I arrived, she had already left. Shows she left first.
Mistake 3. Wrong past participle form.
Wrong, I had ate. Correct, I had eaten.
Use past participle, not simple past.
Mistake 4. Using past perfect for all past actions.
Wrong. Yesterday I had gone shopping. Correct. Yesterday I went shopping.
Don't overcomplicate.
Mistake 5. Forgetting had.
Wrong, she eaten before. Correct, she had eaten before.
All right, let's practice our pronunciation. Repeat after me, speaking slowly and clearly. El clima de hoy es absolutamente hermoso.
El clima de hoy es absolutamente hermoso.
Excellent. You got the intonation exactly right. Next sentence. Me gustaría pedir un café grande, por favor.
Me gustaría pedir un café grande, por favor.
Perfect. Your phrasing is improving so quickly. Keep up the good work.
Always need had.
Simple past in different contexts.
Single completed actions.
I finished my homework. She called me. They arrived late.
Specific past times.
I graduated in 2020. He visited last month. We met yesterday.
Past habits.
I walked to work every day. She always cooked dinner.
Past perfect in different contexts.
Earlier of two actions.
I had studied before the test. She had left when I called.
Background information.
He was angry because his team had lost.
By a pastime.
By 2019, I had moved to New York.
Time markers.
Simple past time words.
Yesterday, last week, ago, in 2020, when I was young.
Past perfect time words.
Before, after, by the time, already, yet, just, never before that point.
Sequence words.
Words showing order.
After I had finished, I left. Before she arrived, I had cleaned.
By the time he called, I had decided.
Already, yet, just with past perfect.
Showing timing.
I had already eaten when she invited me.
Had you finished yet? She had just left.
Real life scenarios.
Explaining being late.
I was late because I had missed the bus.
Telling stories.
The movie had started when we arrived.
Giving reasons.
She was tired because she had worked overtime. Detailed examples.
At work.
Simple past, I finished the report yesterday.
Past perfect. I had finished the report before the meeting.
At school.
Simple past. I took the test last week.
Past perfect, I had studied before I took the test.
Traveling.
Simple past, I visited Paris in 2022.
Past perfect. I had never visited Paris before that trip.
Meeting people.
Simple past. I met her at the party.
Past perfect, I had heard about her before we met.
Shopping.
Simple past, I bought new shoes yesterday.
Past perfect. I had saved money before I bought them.
Cooking.
Simple past. I made dinner at 6 p.m. Past perfect. I had prepared ingredients before I cooked.
Learning. Simple past, I learned Spanish last year.
Past perfect. I had tried to learn it before but failed.
Moving.
Simple past. I moved to New York in 2021. Past perfect. I had lived in Boston before I moved. Getting a job.
Simple past, I got the job last month.
Past perfect. I had applied 3 times before I got it.
Starting a hobby.
Simple past. I started painting in January. Past perfect. I had wanted to paint for years. Losing something.
Simple past, I lost my keys yesterday.
Past perfect. I realized I had left them at the office.
Feeling emotions.
Simple past. I was happy about the news.
Past perfect, I was happy because I had passed the exam.
Making mistakes.
Simple past, I made an error in the document.
Past perfect. I had checked it but I still made an error.
Achieving goals.
Simple past. I graduated in May.
Past perfect, by May I had completed all requirements.
Canceling plans.
Simple past, the event was canceled.
Past perfect. The event was canceled because it had rained.
Finding things.
Simple past. I found my wallet.
Past perfect, I had lost it the day before.
Watching movies.
Simple past, I watched the movie last night.
Past perfect. I had wanted to see it for months. Reading books. Simple past. I read the book in one day. Past perfect. I had started it the previous week. Meeting deadlines.
Simple past, I submitted the project on time.
Past perfect. I had worked on it for weeks.
Breaking things.
Simple past. I broke the vase. I broke the vase that my mother had given me.
Receiving news. I heard the news this morning.
It had happened the night before.
Comparing in same sentence.
Using both together.
When I woke up, my brother had already left.
After she had finished work, she went home.
By the time we arrived, the movie had ended.
Negatives.
Simple past negative.
I didn't go to the party. She didn't call me.
Past perfect negative.
I hadn't eaten before the meeting. She hadn't seen the email.
Questions.
Simple past questions.
Did you go to the party? Did she call you?
Past perfect questions. Had you eaten before? Had she seen the email? Reported speech.
Past perfect in reporting.
Direct. I finished my work. Reported. She said she had finished her work.
Third conditional.
If plus past perfect.
If I had known, I would have come. If she had studied, she would have passed.
Common expressions.
Fixed phrases.
I had no idea. It had been years. I had just arrived.
She had never seen. They had always wanted.
Irregular verbs.
Past participles to remember.
Go, went, had gone. Eat, ate, had eaten.
See, saw, had seen. Do, did, had done.
Take, took, had taken. Give, gave, had given.
Storytelling.
Setting the scene.
The sun had set when I arrived. The party had already started. Everyone was dancing.
Mixed tenses for clarity.
Emphasis on order.
When sequence is important.
I locked the door after I had turned off the lights.
Clear order.
Experience before a past time.
First time experiences.
It was the first time I had flown. I had never tasted sushi before.
Regrets and wishes.
Looking back.
I wish I had studied harder. If only I had known.
Duration before a past time.
How long something had continued.
I had lived there for 5 years before I moved.
She had worked there for a decade.
Planning and preparation.
Simple past. I planned the party.
Past perfect. I had planned everything before guests arrived.
Expectations versus reality.
The movie was different from what I had expected.
The restaurant was closed when we arrived, though we had reserved a table.
Consequences of past actions.
I was sick because I had eaten bad food.
The road was wet because it had rained.
First experiences.
It was the best meal I had ever eaten.
She was the kindest person I had ever met.
Missed opportunities.
By the time I decided to buy it, someone had already bought it.
When I got to the station, the train had just left.
Discoveries and realizations.
I realized I had forgotten my wallet.
She noticed she had made a mistake.
Changes over time.
The city had changed a lot since my last visit.
He looked older than when I had last seen him.
Completing tasks.
I relaxed after I had finished all my work.
She felt relieved because she had solved the problem.
Explanations.
I was confused because I had misunderstood the instructions.
He was nervous because he had never spoken in public before.
Arrivals and departures.
When I reached the airport, the flight had already departed.
By the time help arrived, the situation had gotten worse.
Achievements and accomplishments.
She was proud because she had achieved her goal.
I felt satisfied because I had completed the project.
Learning from the past.
I knew the answer because I had studied.
She understood because she had experienced it before.
Comparisons with previous times.
This year's event was better than what we had organized last year.
The new version fixed bugs that had existed in the old one.
Failed attempts.
I finally succeeded after I had tried many times.
She passed the test after she had failed twice.
Preparations before events.
I had packed my bags before the taxi arrived. She had practiced her speech before the presentation.
Checking and verification.
I double-checked after I had made the mistake before. He was careful because he had broken it previously.
Memory and remembering.
I remembered the place where we had met.
She recalled what he had said.
Understanding context. I understood why she had been upset. He realized why they had left early.
Quick review.
Simple past equals completed action in the past.
One event at a specific time.
Structure, verb plus ed or irregular.
I went home. She finished. They arrived.
Time markers, yesterday, last week, ago.
Past perfect equals action before another past action.
The earlier of two past events.
Structure, had plus past participle.
I had gone. She had finished. They had arrived.
Time markers, before, after, by the time, already.
Simple past shows when something happened.
Past perfect shows which happened first.
Use simple past for single past events.
Use past perfect to show sequence.
Past perfect always needs a reference point.
Can't use it alone without context.
Remember irregular past participles.
Go, went, had gone, not had went.
You now understand both completely.
These tenses help you tell clear, detailed stories.
Use them to show the order of past events.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment, write a sentence using both tenses.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
El clima de hoy es absolutamente hermoso.
El clima de hoy es absolutamente hermoso.
Excellent. You got the intonation exactly right. Next sentence. Me gustaría pedir un café grande, por favor.
Me gustaría pedir un café grande, por favor.
Perfect. Your phrasing is improving so quickly. Keep up the good work.